Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Gutho from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm talking about weight loss and drinking alcohol. In particular, which alcohol is good for weight loss. So first of all, one of the main things that prevents you from living a healthy lifestyle is your mindset towards all the things you think that you have to give up. So for instance, if you set a weight loss goal or even a muscle building goal, does this mean you can never have another drink of alcohol again? Well, like most things in life, that all depends on you. So ask yourself this simple question. Which of these three lifestyle situations are you currently in? Number one, your body is your job. So if this is you, you're either preparing to enter a fitness or a modeling competition, or you make a living by being a professional fitness model, or maybe you're an in-season professional athlete. Lifestyle number two, you have serious existing health problems. So if this is you, you are faced with a life-threatening health problem such as cancer or disease that requires you to change your lifestyle. Or life situation number three, you're looking to lose a few pounds, build some muscle, and just improve your overall health. So if this is you, you're looking to feel better about your body while incorporating a more balanced and healthy lifestyle. So 95% of you that are watching this video probably fall into this category. However, each of these three lifestyle situations would get a different answer regarding weight loss and drinking alcohol. The fact is, you have to weigh the pros and the cons of every decision that you make in your life. Because remember guys, life is all about the choices that you make. And there's no doubt that frequently drinking a lot of alcohol will negatively affect your health and your weight loss goals. For instance, alcohol can negatively affect your testosterone levels. So not only is testosterone an important sex hormone, it is also one of the most important muscle building hormones. And this is important because a body with more lean muscle increases your metabolism, thus allows you to burn more calories and fat even while at rest. So unfortunately, the excessive consumption of alcohol can negatively affect the production of testosterone. Even with just a few drinks of alcohol a day, you can lower testosterone levels, making it harder to build muscle and then ultimately losing weight. Drinking alcohol also quickly increases your calorie consumption. So as you know guys, drinking your calories is one of the no-nos when it comes to weight loss. Drinking a lot of alcohol adds a lot of empty calories to your diet. And empty calories simply means calories that do not provide the body with any nutrients or health benefits. So alcohol contains 7 calories for every gram. Plus, this 7 calories per gram doesn't include whatever you're mixing with the alcohol. So let's just say you're with your buddies and you drink a 6-pack of beer. Most beer contains approximately 150 calories per bottle. So drinking a 6-pack of beer during the game adds approximately 900 extra empty calories to your diet. Or let's say you're not a beer drinker. Let's say you love your rum and cokes. Drinking 4 rum and cokes adds approximately 1,200 extra empty calories to your diet. And guys, it gets worse. On top of these empty alcohol calories, the majority of time when you're drinking alcohol, you're probably not snacking out of the vegetable tray. Alcohol and processed junk food like chips, crackers, and cookies go hand in hand. So think about all the extra calories gone wild the next time you're pounding back a few socials. Alcohol also has an effect on your energy level. So whether you feel hungover or not, the next day you always pay the price for drinking too much alcohol. And if you're like most people, you would skip the gym and go out to your favorite fast food restaurant for something greasy to make yourself feel better. Or even if you go to the gym, your strength, your energy, and your overall performance just seems off even if you aren't hungover. And this is not a good combination, especially when your goal is weight loss, because you just can't give 100% in the gym. So the question is, do you have to completely give up alcohol forever? Well, it depends on which of the 3 lifestyle scenarios that you're currently in. So if your body is your job, you've probably already decreased your alcohol consumption and you probably don't need my advice. However, if you're out there networking with photographers and editors of fitness magazines, a few occasional glasses of red wine or tequila or vodka or gin probably won't significantly hinder your progress. Or if you have serious existing health problems, I'd recommend you avoid alcohol. Guys, you only have one life to live. Is it really worth giving up your life, your family, and your friends for alcohol? Or if you're in the situation number 3 where you're just looking to lose a few pounds, build some muscle, and improve your overall health, if that's you, if you're just looking to improve your physique but have no aspirations to be on a cover of a magazine and don't have any severe health problems, you can safely enjoy 2 to 4 glasses of alcohol per week. Just remember, alcohol calories do count, so don't forget to account for them if you're counting calories. Also, if you're like me and you're just looking to maintain your physique, then you can simply maintain your current alcohol consumption. Now guys, I don't go hard on the weekends like I used to, but I still enjoy a few drinks of alcohol per week. So my go-to alcoholic preferences include red wine, and I like Pinot Noir. I like vodka water with a shot of lime or lemon, and of course, tequila on the rocks with just a little bit of lemon. And then if I'm watching sports, I'll have an occasional beer. If your goal is weight loss, guys, here's the best alcohol for weight loss. The simpler, the better. So most of these spirits contain approximately the same amount of calories. We have vodka coming in at about 97 calories, rum, 97 calories, tequila, 105 calories, whiskey, 105 calories, bourbon, 105 calories, scotch, 105 calories, and gin, 110 calories. So what you mix these shots with is the make or break for weight loss. Always choose a 0-calorie mixer, like water or club soda, then add a splash of flavor by adding the juice of a lemon or a lime. Stay away from sugar bombs such as frozen cocktails, sugary juices, syrups, tonics, and soda, as the carbohydrates will not only quickly wrap up the calorie count, but the sugar crashes will also make you attack the snack tray. Okay guys, so let me wrap this up by saying living lean is not a diet, nor is it an all or nothing situation. As discussed, it all depends on what your current lifestyle situation is and how serious you are about reaching your fitness goals faster. If you want faster results, you will have to be more strict. However, if you're comfortable with the journey of living lean, you can still enjoy the occasional drink of alcohol without ruining all your efforts in the kitchen or in the gym. So if you're ready to commit to the journey of living lean without giving up all the fun things in your life, guys, I highly recommend you and I invite you to join our teamlivelean.com group coaching. This is the group coaching service where our members get access to me and Jessica, as well as hundreds of other members who are on the same journey as you. Every month we provide you with a new workout program that can not only be done in the gym, but if you work out at home, it'll work for that as well as weekly meal plans, cooking recipe videos, and grocery lists. So guys, you're just one program away from starting your journey and maintaining your journey of living lean. I'm gonna put a clickable link in the video description below to go join our team. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep living lean. 1, 2